once again, Chef Christopher Carey here from the Columbia College Culinary Department. We just talked about how to peel garlic. Now let's talk about garlic and the different cuts that can come from the garlic. Garlic is unique that as you slice it differently, it produces different flavors. So our first slice is just going to simply be our garlic slice. So if we take our knife and go through the garlic nice and thin, we get these beautiful rings of garlic. The rings of garlic, or thinly sliced garlic, has a sweeter flavor. So if you want something that has a bit more of a kind of a earthy honey type of flavor, we're going to go with sliced garlic. The next one, we want to crush the garlic. We take our knife, put it down, crush it down. We can chop it up. This crushed garlic has a bit more of a pungent flavor to it because the oils within the garlic are now getting to be dispersed amongst the crushed garlic. Next, we're going to do a fine dice of garlic. So we're cutting this down with what I call a fine brunoise. It's a classic cut that you can make of carrots, potatoes. It's 1/16 of an inch by 1/16 of an inch by 1/16 of an inch. And yes, your knife can actually get down to that small level. And as we cut it into these nice little cubes, this garlic is a little bit less pungent than the crushed garlic because we've just sliced and then cubed our garlic clove. So if you need something that is a little bit, again, less pungent, go with dice. If you need something that is more pungent, go with a crushed garlic. If you need something that has a lot of garlic flavor, visit our other video on mincing garlic, and that brings out the most garlic flavor.